is the cast and who is the crew. And this is going to give you very quickly overview of who is the cast and how many movies they have acted in. So this looks like these are the top actors, and these are the top crew members, right? So then we'll jump into the keyword section. We'll jump into the code and we'll fire this. So if you see here, this is going to use a little bit more complicated analysis. It's actually using window functions. So we are actually doing window partition by the genre name, and then we're going to count. And then based on which position it is on, by using this window over window genre function, and we filter it out to only where the first position. So it's going to give us the how many movies are there in each genre, but it's going to give you only the top row in each of those windows, right? That is the idea. So you can see here, action, in the action genre, martial arts was supposed to be the topmost. And in adventure, it's a sequel, and animation is anime, and comedy it was woman director, and crime it was murder, etc. Right? So just some idea to see, what genre had the top most number of movies from a keywords perspective, right? Same thing. We'll move on to the spoken languages. Of course, English is the topmost. More than half of the movies are English. Then we'll jump into the production country just to understand how the country spread is. So we'll fire that and it kind of prints out, and you can see here United States of America has a lot of movies, and India also has like 1,800 movies here in this collection. And of course Italian movies are there, German movies, France movies, etc. are all there, right? And then we'll say, okay, how about the year by year analysis, right? We'll fire that, and then we kind of see here that 2014, 2015, kind of you can see the distribution here. So it looks like kind of from a trending perspective, for the most part, more and more movies are getting made every year. Kind of that's what it would imply. Then moving on to the companies, which companies produce the movies. So I made a mistake here. I have to change the path. So obviously you come back here, and the path is wrong. So we copy this, and we come down, and then it was a cut and paste mistake. Looks like I missed it. So when you do that and then fire it again, it should basically tell you that there's no surprise. Warner Bros is a pretty big company which produces a lot of movies, and then this is the MGM. That's another Paramount Pictures, 20th Century. I think Universal Pictures. I think we all these we kind of we can kind of see that it kind of makes sense, right? So this is, imagine how it started off and how it's kind of coming together, to make more sense on the data side. So then this is the last section. We just want to see what are the ratings, and then we print out how users with the most reviews and the movies with the most reviews, right? Just for fun. We want to see again same mistake here. So paste that and fire it. So yeah, and you can see it's not much of a interesting thing because users don't have much data other than the ID, and same with it is more movie based database. So I'll give you like this is 356 movie has the highest number of votes, and out of 26 million it's about 100,000 almost, right? And then this guy seems to be the guy who, or guy or gal, right? So it's supposed to be the one which watches the most number of movies, 18,000 movie reviews. It's a pretty big deal. So that is pretty much. So we're going to save this now, and then we'll download it. So I want to make sure that I replace those so that you can, when you and check it in, so you don't have to worry about fixing that bug that we saw, right? So I'm going to copy that over and check that in, right? So that is a good introduction into how you can actually do the analysis using a Python Jupyter notebook without actually going and installing Spark, and without having to create a data science VM on the Azure platform. So hope you enjoyed it, and please come back in and tune in as we enhance this project to something even more sophisticated. Thank you.